Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode on Jing Moni's channel. So now, magpapasilip lang ako sa inyo. Kung ano-ano iniisip nyo, papasilip ko lang ng konti yung bahay ko. So, tinayo ko to last year. It's been a year already since we started the construction. Marami pang kailangan finishing. Alam niyo naman ang construction, may mga adjustment na delayed, lumalaki ang gastos. So, ayan. So, medyo tumatagal yung ating construction. So, ngayon, I'll show you yung aking bagong titirahan. Ito yung dito lang din to sa family compound namin. So, this is where I grew up. Dito na ako lumaki and all that. Kami magkakapatid. So, ngayon, magkakasama na kami ulit. So, samahan niyo ako as I show you ang katas ng pag-ibig. Yan. So, as you enter, living room, and I have a powder room. So, nakita niyo, hindi pa lahat tapos, di ba? So, pinalagay ko lang, nagpalagay lang ako ng konting gamit for me just to imagine on how we're going to fix this. Okay, so medyo, I don't know, siguro mga 2-3 weeks pa bago matapos lahat. And then, I have my kitchen. So, pina-modular ko siya. So, mahal pala modular, hindi ko alam. Na ganun kamahal pala. So, and then, I bought some of my, of course, my kitchen, my cooking thing is Kuisen. I got this in Kuisen. Kuisen is located in Jupiter. Thanks, Marlene. So, ayan. So, I got the Teka. And then, I like the vintage looking sink. So, I think kinuha ko din sa amin. And then, ito yung mga luma kong furniture. So, and then, this will be the dining. So, kitchen, living room. So, alam niyo naman, mahilig ako mag-host ng dinner, di ba? With my friends or family. So, I want a big space to eat and hang out. So, most of the time, may mga get-togethers naman, hindi naman kami nagtatagal sa living room. So, most of the time, hindi na kami umaalis sa dining area. So, I made a point na yung flow is diretso lang. And then kitchen, because I want to welcome my guests with a shabang food. Of course, ang Jing Moni's famous adobo. Hindi na mawala yung parata pag may get together. So, yun ang most requested parata. I don't know why. Again, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin alam kung bakit requested yan. I used Boysen paint, of course. Who else you can trust? From generation to generation, Boysen na kasama natin. Lumaki. Mula pagkabata hanggang sa pagtanda. Boysen lang ang number one. And of course, Polyworks. Kasi Polyworks apparently makes yung ganitong finish. Yung parang cement. I don't know how you call this Pero nakita ko to sa Polyworks. And they really did a very good job. As in, sakto yung gustong-gusto ko. Na texture, yung kulay. So, ayan. Thank you, Polyworks. As you exit naman from the dining area, so, eto na yung papunta ng aking garden / Hindi pa siya tapos. Matagal pa yan. Medyo ubos na yung budget natin. Alam niyo naman, ay mahal pala magpagawa. So, eto, nabubuksan din yan. So, everything can be open. So, yung hangin niya, dire-diretso lang. So, pag ayoko mag-aircon, open lang siya. I have ceiling fans. So, yan. Tapos pinalagyan ko rin siya ng wooden planks. This one naman, I got this from Kent Tiles. Yan. Sa aking kapatid na si Charles Chu. So, thanks Charles. Yan. So, okay. Now, I'll take you to the second floor. Go. So, as you enter naman, this is my room. Our nanny for 23 years. So, matagal siya sa akin. So, she has her own room. She has her own toilet also. And then, this is to the door leading to the dirty kitchen. And then, this is the pantry. Wala atang ilaw pa dito. Ayan. So, yan yung pantry. Ayan, may ilaw na pala. But let's go to the second floor. So, I like it all wood. Actually, ang gusto kong design, rustic And then, so that's why I asked the workers or yung contractor ko na gusto ko yung concrete finish. And then, I want everything wood. So, hindi pa siya tapos. Kinisin pa yan at lilihahin. So, yan. So, I got some woods from, some are restored woods from, or yung mga lumang bahay na binili ko. Kasi mahirap nakahanap ng magandang kahoy. Especially Nara. Nara is so hard to find at sobrang mahal. So, yan. So you enter the second floor. Welcome to my bedroom. Oh, di ba? Mas maganda yung entrance na ganun. So, yan. Gusto ko yung idea na I have 2 doors. Parang ang lakas maka-master's bedroom. So, ayan. So, this is my bedroom. This will be the station of my massage chair. And so this will be, so kumbaga nakalan siya, massage chair, dito ko lalagay kasi yung nga addict tayo sa masahe. So, I have a Scion chair. So, ito na yung kanyang sariling space. And then, this is my bedroom. This is my bed. Pinagawa ko tong bed, pero gusto ko siyang i-adjust. So, may mga again, ayoko ng mukhang bagong kama. I want it very old. So, I used an old poste ng bahay. Medyo mabigat siya. Kahit 10 tao, hindi siya kaya buhatin. As in, hindi siya magalaw. So, nung inakyat siya dito, hindi na siya makagalaw. Ayan. So, these are old wood. And this will be parang aking reading area. Or when I want to watch lang my Netflix, I have a nice chair. It's also a vintage chair. I have a wing chair na nabili ko in parang early 2000. Kasi I like collecting old furnitures. I like antique furnitures, to be exact. So, ayan. So, through the years, I've been collecting. Ayan. So, from my bedrooms, you can go through the veranda. So, again, I like being outdoor most of the time. And I want my house to look like I'm not in Manila. And gusto ko yung parati ako nasa resort feel. So, that's why then ganito rin yung structure ko. So yung aking architect, si Architect Mia Guerrero, thank you so much. At pinapayagan mo ako sa lahat ng mga kalokohan ko sa bahay ko. Ayan, so, yan. And that's connecting to Inigo's room, another room. Ayan, so come, I'll show you the bathroom. So, like, again, no, like my main door, I like the feel of 2-door opening. So this leads to the bathroom. Okay. So again, I got my tiles from Cuisen, and of course, Cuisen again. Ano nga brand nga to? Grohe something eh. Hans Grohe. So ayan, medyo it's a very good brand, you know. It's a Hans Grohe. So even my toilet. So this is naman my walk-in closet. Ulitin entrance ko kanina. Welcome to my walk-in closet. Di ba? So ayan, pina-customize ko lang din siya. And again, I made wooden floor. So these are all Nara. Yan, these are from an old house na meron akong suppliers ng nagigiba sila ng mga lumang bahay, and then they sell the parts of the house. So, yan. So, from the shower connecting to my bedroom. So, I have 2 entrances. So, let's go to another bedroom. So, this is Inigo's room naman. Ito lang yung mga ilaw ba to? Yan, yung mga ilaw naman pala. Yan. So, Inigo's room, study table, his television, whatever, kung anong gusto niya ilagay. Kwarto niya naman to. Then he has also a lounge chair here that he can sit on para hindi siya para pag nag-aaral siya, nagre-review, he can just sit here. And then, this is his walk-in closet. Parehas kami ng bed. Kasi same person yung gumawa ng bed ko. So, may adjustment lang na konti. So, this is his walk-in closet. Toilet. So, very industrial. Simple lang. Nothing fast. Veranda niya. Just connect sa my veranda. Siyempre, may purpose ako dyan. Alam mo na, nagbibinata na, di ba? So, pwede kong i-check from my veranda kung sinong kasama sa, alam mo na, binata na, si Inigo, so barkada, hindi natin alam. Huwag naman sana magka-girlfriend agad-agad. I wanted to finish the study first. Ayan. He has a big veranda also. He can just wander around here. Okay, now let's go to the third floor. The third floor is actually my gym, which is still being constructed now. Medyo matagal-tagal pa yon. So, yun ang pinaka-maiiwan. Kasi nag-finishing sila na dito sa baba. But ngayon pinag-break ko sa baba kasi nga, I need to show you a little of this. So now going to the third floor, which is the rooftop. And aka gym, spa, and aking pinaka-parang tanning, what do you call that? My lounge where I want to get stay under the sun, and I like going under the sun all the time. Oh yeah. So let's go. Parang ito yung sarili kong man cave. So pwede ako mag-host ito ng mga parties if I want to. And then that's where I got. Ayoko na kasi umaalis ang bahay. So gumagawa na rin ako ng personal gym ko. Saka, rini-require kong buong pamilya ko mag-workout. Remember, health is wealth. We have to take care of our family, especially yung health nila. Kailangan natin alagaan yan ng isa't isa. So, everyone, my brothers, sisters, and my nephews and nieces are required to work out all the time. So, come. As you can see, it's all glass. So, lumalabas lang yung araw, tagus-tagusan lang. Para nakikita ko lahat. Gusto ko yung, nakikita ko sila pero hindi nila ako nakikita. Dito ako maglalagay ng umbrella. So, yung sa akin sun deck. Ito yung pinaka parang resort feel ko. And that's the gym. Tapos yung ibabaw niyan, doon ako nagpalagay ng solar. So I'll show you yung solar. Pakikita ko yung paano na in-install yung solar. Of course, I got a very good company who does solar system. So syempre, my priority was to lower the electric bill. Kasi alam naman natin na mahal ang kuryente. Since mahal ang kuryente, gusto natin makamura tayo. So, when I was planning to build the house pa lang, I already said to myself na kailangan naka-solar power ako. First of all is because it will lessen the electrical bill. Second, it's hindi na ako matatakot kung magka-brown out. Everything is there's power all the time. Plus, of course, pag may extra kang power, you can sell it pala to Meralco. So, pag hindi ko ginagamit at may mga extra power yung aking solar system, Meralco can buy it from me. So, meron pa akong income. So, I would recommend everybody, if you're planning to build a house, always consider of putting a solar system in your house. That will lower the cost of your electric bill. So, ngayon, pakikilala ko sa iyo. Pakikilala ko sa inyong lahat, yung GM, and I was talking to him from the start para ng construction. And binigyan niya ako ng magandang system on how we can customize everything on the power that kailangan ng bahay para gumana. Aircon, sa kitchen, na kahit 24/7 yung air condition ko. Alam niyo na, napakainit dito sa Pilipinas. So kahit 24/7 na aircon ko, hindi ako mamumblema ng mainit siya. Again and again, thank you, Boysen, Kuisen, Polyworks, Ken Tiles, and Solarize. And of course, marami pa po akong kailangan bilhin na furniture. So, baka naman mag-iipon muna ako. Pero welcome naman po kung gusto niyo magpadala. Every branch is welcome. Wala pa po akong ref, wala pa akong TV, wala pa akong ibang furniture. So, sige lang po, DM lang po kayo kung gusto niyo po magpadala. na rin akong mga rugs pa. Kawawa naman ako kasi naubos na siya sa pagpapagawa. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. And I see you again next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Bye!